Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are looking at making money online using ChatGPT, and we'll have a look inside of this in a second, how this works. But the method that I'm going to share with you today is not only incredibly simple and easy, and you can set this all up for free. We don't need skills, experience, or any of the usual stuff when it comes to potential online hustles and different ways of making money online. The potential with this is ridiculous. I'll share with you some examples. So let me get rid of that. Come over here. I mean, just look at this here. 10 to 50 grand a month with this. Scroll down here, look. $20,000 a month. Come further down the page. $29,000 a month. 22, 27, 36. And look, this list here goes on and on and on. There are a number of ways that we can make money online with ChatGPT. And if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you know I'm always talking about building passive income streams, doing the work once and be earning, money for months, years, and well, I was going to say months, it's weeks, months, and years down the line from now, okay? But obviously, look, this doesn't happen overnight. It takes some time. It takes some effort. So if you found the video useful, please give it a like, and I'll literally walk you through this whole process from start to finish. So first of all, we need ChatGPT, which is over here. So, and by the way, I'll put links to everything down below for you, just in case I'm moving a bit too fast. So you come over here and you click on Try Chat GPT. Then you literally sign up and you verify with your phone. Once you've done that, this is what it looks like on the inside over here. Pretty straightforward and simple, okay? Now, the next thing, what we're going to do is, I'll show you an example of this. So down here in ChatGPT, this is where you type something and it will give you an exact, it will spit out an output from a question that you would put into here. So as an example, if we're looking at making money online, I'm just going to type in here, can you please give me a list of the best, and it can be anything, it can be any category, any niche. So I'm just going to type in here, can you give me a list of the best, let's say laptops under 500, okay? And literally it takes normally about 20 or 30 seconds, and then here we go. Okay, so now what it's doing here is it's spitting out some information about different laptops. Now the reason why I've picked laptops specifically there is because you can earn more money from laptops, but you can also go for other categories, okay? And what do I mean by that? Well, we can earn money with affiliate marketing, and don't let that put you off, because when I say that to people, they think they've got to be on the phone ringing people, they think they've got to be in people's inboxes on Facebook, messaging people and all these sorts of things. You don't, because that is not passive by any stretch of the imagination. It's a headache. So if I come back over here, I'll show you this, okay? So these are over here. These are different websites or blogs which are earning this amount of money. And it seems ridiculous, doesn't it? And you can go, this is and again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. This is 37 bloggers earn between 2K and £1 million a month. It's nuts in there. But you can come on here, you can go ahead and check out their websites. Now, the main thing, what they all have in common, you can see here, income is earned mostly from affiliate marketing. Come down here, we've got, it tells you information about the blog as well, but you'll see as well, predominantly the money is from affiliate marketing and also annoying ads which pop up on the side of websites, okay? But if I go into any one of these, okay, and I'll give you an example of this just really quickly. So what is this? Let's go find one. So this one here, Shout Me Live, what is it? Affiliate marketing, I want to find something a bit more creative blog. So DIY home projects, decorate, this one here, this will do, okay? And this is an example, by the way. So this website over here, you can see this is what it looks like. So what are they sharing content around? So organizing rooms, different playing with kids, lots of different things on here. But this here is earning some very decent money, literally from creating content. So, and this is, as I mentioned, this is one example. But I've just come over here into Google, and you can see I've just typed in best laptop under £500. Now, I'm in the UK, so I've put £500. If I change this to dollar, let's see if this changes. And we're going to do this. So we can see over here, there's 12,100 people a month searching for this. And if you're wondering how I go ahead and get, these numbers down here, I use a piece of software. It's incredibly cheap. It's this one over here. It's called Keywords Everywhere. And I'll show you this. So you can come over here. You don't have to get this, by the way, but I recommend it. It's really cheap. So basically, this will show you the numbers when you're searching online for anything. It works with Google, it works with Amazon, YouTube, and a few more. I'm trying to see, look, so these are all the different things. So when you have this installed, and it's literally just a Chrome extension up here, whenever you're on any of these different websites, it will show you the numbers that people, the numbers, the physical searches that people are typing into Google every month. So if I come up here and go to pricing, you can see it costs $10, but that $10 gives you 100,000 credits. And a credit is basically every time you make a search online, okay? So pretty cool. Now let me come back and I'll show you how you can do it even without that. But using that there, we can see, so I'm just going to type this in again. I'm going to type in laptops under 500. And the reason why I'm doing this is, okay, I want to see the search volumes for this. So I'm going to scroll down here. And then on the right hand side here, it gives me related keywords, okay? So look, best laptop under 500 is 12,100 people a month searching for this. We've then got the best gaming laptop. This one here, this one, etc. Okay? Then I can come down here and I've got all of these different ones down here. Go further down, I've then got all of these. But here's the thing, what you can do as well is, if you don't have the $10 to go ahead and get this, what you can do is anytime you're searching something here on Google, you can scroll down and you see this here where it says people also ask. This here could be a topic for an article. So could this one, so could this one, and this one. And here's a cool thing. If you click on here like this and then go back up, it now gives you more. And then again, do this one. And then I've got more. So all these here, these are all ideas for content, okay? And the reason why we want these ideas for content is we can use ChatGPT over here to create these lists for us. And then, so here in this example, it's given us the best laptops under $500. So then I could say, could you please write an article for the following? Like this. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to come up here to this first one. I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it into here and I'm going to hit the enter button. And then it just takes some little time, it takes a bit of time, and then it will start to create this article for us around this here, this laptop, okay? So, and it's literally just going to write this. And the idea being is, okay, what we do is we have the AI software create an article for us. We then take all of that information and we put that into our own website. Now, there are a number of options for this. You could simply go over, you can get a Google website. So if I come on here and I type in Google website like this, you will see, come down here, look, not this one here, look, Google sites. It will allow you to create your own website on Google completely for free. There are other options which again are free. One that I've used and I've spoken about in the past is this one over here. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. Inside of here, let me scroll down and click on here. If you want to go to this one here, you create a free account. That free account lets you basically create 2 websites in here. Straightforward and simple. And the one on Google as well is, it's literally just drag and drop and then you just put your titles in and things, okay? But we get a free website. We use ChatGPT to create the content for us. So in this example, it's still writing. So in this example here, this is writing an article for us around this ASA Inspire. Now, obviously, we would need to become an affiliate for the ASA Inspire 5. So you have a few different options. You could go and join something like, let me think of an affiliate network. So one of the more popular ones is something like Share a Sale. So you could come over here. It's called Share a Sale. And this is just one example. You can see Trusted Affiliate Marketing Network. And you can sign up completely for free. But the cool thing about platforms like Share a Sale is, you can see over here, they've got 21,000 merchants, which basically means they've got all of these different companies all under the umbrella of Share a Sale. So you can find different products that you can become an affiliate for inside of this one platform. And you can see we've got a number of different examples going along the bottom here. You can click through and go through and have a look at this. The other option is, obviously, you could go over to, say, like the Amazon, and you could apply to the affiliate program over there. The thing you need to remember is, in the beginning, what you want to focus on is getting the content on your website before you apply to these programs, because there's no point applying to a program when you have a website with just 1 article or 2 articles. You want to create the content, populate that website with your articles, and then we move on to applying to the affiliate programs so that we can basically sign up and start earning a commission. And I'll show you I'll show you an actual example of this. So if I come over here and let me go to one of my websites, which I haven't touched in a long time. I've got a lot. Let me think. I'll go to this one. Let's go to the lineman one. Boots and tools, and I'll show you actual examples of this. So this website over here is around this category over here, lineman, boots and tools. I know nothing about this. However, it still brings me in it brings me in a passive income. It's on the low side because I've not touched this for a number of years, literally a number of years. But if I come over here and I click on so let's go over to lineman, boots, what's that? Lineman, boots, must-haves. So in here, you can see, let me scroll down, we have different affiliate links. So you see this over here, this is an affiliate link. If I scroll further down over here, this is an affiliate link. If I scroll further down, you can see here, look, a review, a product review. So in this example over here, this is about this. What is this? Some boot, some boot basically. People are online looking for these reviews. And down here, you see this here? If I was to click on that, it would take me over to Amazon. And then if I bought that product, I would earn an affiliate commission. And I'm saying that in me. I'm talking about if somebody else clicked on my website, clicked on here, went over to Amazon and bought that product, we would earn an affiliate commission. And it is, look, you see here where it says, get them here. Again, if I click on there, look, it opens up, watch, and it goes over to Amazon. And then if somebody was to buy this, you get paid an affiliate commission. It's awesome. I highly recommend this method for making money online because we are using AI to speed up the whole process. Previously, in terms of like creating articles like this, you would either have to know something about that industry or you would have to outsource the work, which normally was anywhere between $50 and $100 per article. But because we are using ChatGPT over here, we can get a hell of a lot of work done for us relatively quickly and cheaply. The only thing to note with this as well, okay, is if we are creating content like this, you always want to run this information through an AI detector. So if you come on here and we just type in AI detector, like so, and you can use any of these. They all work in the same way. So you can come down to any one of these, but all you do is you click on here and it tells you basically, look, if your content reads like it was entirely produced by AI, it may affect how search engines rank it. So there's no point in creating this content if it's not going to start ranking in the search engines. So all you do is you come over here and you take this text, okay, and let's just take a little bit. You take a bit like this, and then all you do is you can come in here and you paste that in here, like so. And then you'd click on analyze text, and it takes a few minutes. So I'm not going to do it now. It literally does take a couple of minutes, but you click on analyze text and then it will give you a detection score over here, whether it's on the low end or the high end. Okay, the higher the better for you. The lower it is, you'd need to go play around with this, play around with the text, change some bits. But this is the process of how we can use ChatGPT to make money online. It's creating evergreen content, okay? And there's more ways you could do this. You could go down the digital route, whereby you could go over to a platform like ClickBank and you could find affiliate products. Sorry, let me get rid of that. You could find affiliate products over here, and it's the same concept. You create content around a product or a review item. We're putting that content online, and inside of that content we are including our affiliate link. As you've seen, it's not difficult at all. We can use ChatGPT, which is free. We could use Google Sites or Wealthy Affiliate. That is free. It's just going to take some time and effort and literally going through the process of setting this up. And this is just one way you can make money with ChatGPT. There are many more. I shared a video last week, so if you want to check that out, you can go and have a look at that. So yeah, that's today's video. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.